on that as well. Lots to track and trade today. So here goes the first tick on the index. It's positive, 30 points higher on the Nifty. The Sensex is up about 80 odd points. The Bank Nifty is flat, but looking to build on to some of its gains. What's gaining today is Divis Labs. I think it's had a really rough ride this year. It's down 15% for the year, so trying to recover over there. SBI Life, JSW Steel, Adani Enterprise, a motley bunch of stocks actually on the upside, but metals are looking good. So there's JSW Steel, there is Tata Steel that's up in the green as well. Hindalco is up in the green, so that space is not too bad. Apart from that, autos are making a bit of a comeback. Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp, but some of them struggling because of the downgrades. We'll talk about that. Tata Consumer Products, Cipla, Grasim, a couple of other names that are in the green. L&T has been hitting new highs daily, so it's putting on some more weight. Keep an eye out on that. But Divis is really the big one, up almost 2.5%. On the downside, IndusInd Bank down about 0.6% for reasons obvious. NTPC, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Infosys ahead of its numbers tomorrow is under a bit of pressure. Nestle as well down about 0.2%. Apollo Hospitals just a tad bit in the red, and Bajaj Finance too a tad bit soft this morning, so keep an eye out on that. But very quiet opening, you'd have to say, just about, struggling to build on to its gains further. 17,730. Sula is really the stock that's piling on the gains this morning, 6% higher. Nigel will talk about that, but flat opening for the market.
Well, that's right, Sonia. Let's pull up a couple of stocks, though. We have Sula that's up and about in today's trading session. It's up close to around 5.5% odd. But Delta Corp, the street had positioned itself for a weak set of numbers. The numbers were quite subdued as well. Business-wise, well, things could look up. So because of that positioning, actually, we're not seeing a negative reaction. The stock, I think, is in the F&O ban as well. So it's seen a fairly flattish start to kickstart trade. A couple of other notable movers. We had large trades yesterday. Were seen on Venus Pipes, where you have Mr. Ashish Kacholia that picked up a couple of percentage points in the company. So Venus Pipes, it has a bit of a discount in comparison to Ratnamani Metals, which is its larger peer. So that stock's up close to 2.5%. Sagar Cements, well, you had a big fund coming in there. ICICI Prudential, they went and bought that 4.5% stake. So that one opens up with a gain of close to around 2%. And Delivery as well, there was a large trade when Internet Fund PTE, that's Tiger Global, they sold close to around 1 crore shares odd. For the time being, seeing a bit of a relief rally. A few more stocks that are on focus. We have the management of Titagarh Wagons. They said that in the coming years, because of these order wins that they've had and the order win that they just announced with BHL, they'll be able to grow in double digits and margins in that vicinity of around 8 to around 10%. So that's up close to 2%. And also a couple of other names. Time Techno. Late last night, there was an order win that they announced on the exchanges. The order win comes in from IGL to supply CNG caskets for around 50 crores, smaller quantum, but it opens up, a new trajectory in terms of growth. So I think the street likes that. That stock as well up close to around 3.5%, Prashant.
16 points on the Nifty now, 17,739, 17,740 odd. So this is a quiet way to start, another day, 7 days on a trot. The market's done well. Quiet day wouldn't hurt. Well, Adani Green is up about 3.5%. It's a top volume-led gainer on the screen. Adani Total Gas is up about 2%, 972, beg your pardon. Divis Laboratories is up 3.5%. That's a big one. A big difference.
A bit of a shock there.
Yeah, Divis is up 3% or so, 3,018. Sula, we were talking about that one, 5% on Sula, 371. Venus Pipes is up 3%. Titagarh, went up above 300. It's sort of just under that, but it's up $10 from yesterday's closes. Nigel also pointed out, Prince Pipe is up 5%, 614 on Prince Pipes. Time Technoplus we highlighted. Dwarke Sugar is up about 2.5%. HEG is up about 2.5% as well. Market breadth is comfortable, 2:1, a little over 2:1 right now. Kotak Bank saw that big move yesterday, and this morning Mitesh told us buy it around 1830. Stocks at about 1835. It's down 0.5% or so. IndusInd is down 1%. Zomato is down about 1%. Only highlighting things with volumes at this stage. We've got Shilpa Medicare down 3%. 260 on Shilpa Medicare. Neogen Chemicals, that was a big mover, 2% lower. Chola Finance is down 1%. On the downside, there's not very much big at this point in time. I think there is more happening on the upside, even on a flat start like today, what we have. 5.6 points on the Nifty, 17,730 is where we are at. Atul Suri is our market master of the day.